Hello traders. Today is the Thursday, 30th of Jan 2025, and we had a very amazing trade, especially all the yen pair has given us amazing nice juicy pips since at the Asian session. We had a decent trade on pound dollar and euro USD. Let me share with you guys how we analyze and help our traders to squeeze very decent profit today. All right, so if you look at the pound dollar, and if you are following my previous analysis yesterday, as I mentioned, we are looking here because FOMC meeting coming. So we said if we see the dollar strength, then I'm expecting a pullback, otherwise break and give us the confirmation that this is the price action which we are looking into it. So we had this beautiful, once the price refused to stay below, we were expecting a long trade here. So this New York session, we had this beautiful long trade here and target nicely hit. But if you look at here, based on the price action, we have this impulsive and we have this correction, and this was a pullback we had it. Let's see here if the price is going to break this area or not. We'll let you know. But again, as always mentioned to my trader, end of the month, trade wisely, not aggressively, because especially if you have a positive portfolio of the month. All right, let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. And if you look at the analysis we had, let me share with you, this is the analysis we had it at the Asian session, sorry, at the New York session. Beautiful, and which we explained our trader looked at here. This is the area which price refused to stay below. After the breakout, give us the confirmation, breakout nicely hit to the fib channel. That's what I explained. It's time to consider banking some profit and look for another pullback. So after banking few pps, we also did another analysis instantly. We're constantly monitoring, and the price has any pullback would consider high probability trade, and plus it's going to give you the sign of continuation. So we had this beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, as explained, suggest to my traders, please consider tightening your stop loss. So this is the beautiful trade, only two trade we had it. We had amazing trade, guys, on pound yen. All right, so if you look at the pound yen, yesterday we had this beautiful long trade here, and afterwards we had the Asian session, as explained to much of the keep an eye. Price previously respected this area, so might going to possibility of short trade here. We had this beautiful short trade here, even price broken today, and after this price retest, we had a beautiful short trade at the New London morning session, and price nicely hit to the support level. We also had a counter trade here when we see the price respected, and that was a counter trade we had it. So let me share with you guys how we analyze the yen and squeeze very decent profit today. All right, so if you look at the pound yen, and let me share with you, this is the analysis we did, a long trade here, and yesterday this was the last long trade we had it, which is pretty straightforward as explained. Price section to trader, price broken the previous high, so looking especially when the price developed double bottom here, and beautiful long trade, amazing long trade squeeze yesterday. Basically we had a bank profit, and afterwards, as explained to much, I let the price develop another structure. So we have another beautiful, that is the price developer rising wedge, which is the early sign of short trade we had it. So we had beautiful breakout, and especially when price break and give us the confirmation, as explained, keep taking a pullback. We have pullback, we announce all these trades, and as soon as the price hit to the first target, especially when the price developed double bottom here, we explain it's time to consider banking few pippies. So that was a beautiful trade we had it, and afterwards we also had another London morning session. We had another Smithy triangle pattern, beautiful breakout, bank few pippies, and after that we have another beautiful short trade here because our buys was short. As you can see here, the price developed impulsive reaction. But what exactly you are looking here? If you look at here, the price developed a head and shoulder pattern. Price broken this low, so first priority looking for any pullback. So you can see here the price developed pullback, and this is the first trade, and afterwards we have impulsive correction, and which we explain over trader. Beautiful, nicely another short trade hit to the major support level in 4 hours. That's what explain it's time to enjoy profit here. So that was a beautiful short trade we had it. We bank at the New York session, and afterwards, as explained, let's look at the another trade. That is the counter long trade we had it, which I think mostly traders still holding it. So again, pretty straightforward price action. sort of price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, key important price broken and stay above this level as explained, holding, consider long trade here after that momentum bit develop bullish. So we have another pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous high, and that's what explained my trade. It's time to consider banking some profit. That was the counter long trade here. Most of the traders still holding long. Let's see how that's gonna go. All right, so another one, we had it a very nice, decent trade, short and long on Euro USD. And if you look at here, this is the short trade. We had it in the Asian session, beautiful breakout. And this afternoon, when we market was a bit slow, we had a beautiful bank PPPs. And afterwards, we had it as soon as the news release. We have seen the price action for long, as you can see here, pretty straightforward. As explained, price refused to stay below this level. We need a confirmation. Price develop a confirmation. That's a sign of continuation. Hit to the profit target and bank amazing profit. Now we're still looking at pullback low. Let me share with you. I haven't showed you the 4-hour chart. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we had this. This is the area which we are expecting it. Price reaction. Price nicely develop a pullback, broken this level, and now if we see the price rejected here, then I'm expecting a continuation. And if the price develop false breakout, come here, give us the confirmation, then short trade here. We'll see. We'll let you know tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, guys. Is the last trading day of the month and the week. And I hope you enjoy this analysis. And I'm pretty sure if you want to see all that analysis and enjoy real time, so most welcome. Join our fast growing trading community, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.